Hello, dear traveller. Come closer. I am Rome, ancient, wise, and timeless. Nestled deep within my embrace, a place of immortal elegance rests. Hotel d'Inghilterra, perfectly situated just steps away from Piazza di Spagna. Imagine, here every corner holds a secret. Every mirror reflects a memory. Step inside with me, and you'll discover rooms that are each a masterpiece, lovingly restored by the finest Italian artisans who carry my legacy in their hands. A true work of art is the penthouse suite with a breathtaking view of all my splendor. As the day fades, follow me upward to the 6th floor, where the Terrazza Romana awaits. A place to savor an aperitivo above the rooftops of my city. Hidden within, a peaceful paradise awaits. An intimate spa where you may retreat from the rhythm of my streets. Can you smell it? It is Cafè Romano. Sit back and immerse yourself at any hour of the day. Join me at Hotel d'Inghilterra. Every memory you create here will resonate within you for eternity.